YouTube? It's me again. Today I'm going to do a different video than I've been doing. This one is not going to be music related. It's going to be fashion related, which if you're new to my channel you might not know. I did a lot of fashion videos at one point. I kind of switched back and forth, but trust me, the music videos are not done. I have a record haul to do as well soon. So, but this one I really wanted to do because I was very excited to get this pair of shoes in the mail. This is from a brand that I've really been wanting to try. I'm sure everyone knows the brand Doc Marten. They're not new. They've been around forever. And I've been wanting to buy a pair for years, literal years. About a year ago, they did a collaboration with Lazy Oaf, which is a brand that I've kind of been watching for a while. I do really like the way they have like some very cutesy designs, and every now and then they'll have something that I really like. I do like cutesy, but I like it mixed with a little bit of edge as well. So when they did a collaboration with Doc Marten, I really wanted to snag a pair. Unfortunately, the first release sold out really fast. I was not prepared, and I didn't get one. But this time, I knew how fast it was going to sell out, so I went ahead and snagged a pair of Doc Martens. They released, I think, 3 or 4 different styles. I think it was actually 4. 2 different creepers, a pair of sandals, and the boots. The only thing that I could see myself wearing were the boots, so I went ahead and snagged those. This is the box that they came in. It's a really cute Doc Martens box with hearts all over it. You can see that. So these are the buckle boots. Actually, funny story, they released them in several different places. I was not quick enough to get them in most of the places, and then there was a delayed release on Dolls Kill, which I was able to go ahead and snag, so I was super happy about that. Otherwise, I would have missed out on these too. So thank you, Dolls Kill. So here they are, and full disclaimer, I have already worn these. So they are leather. I saw some things going around online about a lot of Lazy Oaf stuff is vegan leather, but these are actually the smooth leather, actual leather boot. So I know there was a lot of confusion about that. I couldn't really find details about that online anywhere. But to me, I'm actually glad that they did them in actual leather because I feel like they're gonna last longer. And I can do a whole video about vegan leather versus regular leather if you are interested. I generally don't like to wear leather, but in shoes, I feel like, well, if you want my opinions on that, I can do a whole other video. That's not what this is. But I was actually glad that they were genuine leather. So this is what the boot looks like. So it has this cute little heart buckle and cute little heart cut out with like suede, and then the heart on the back. These are the real deal. They're kind of heavy, heavier than I was actually expecting. I'm not sure why. I like that it has more of a platform here than some of the other Doc Martens that I had been eyeing for a while. Like I said, I've been wanting to get a pair for quite a bit. I just wanted to find the right pair to start with because they are a little bit of an investment. These were $180, which kills me inside a little bit, but I think they're worth it, and I have heard that they have a lifetime warranty on these. I'm not sure what all that covers, but these were too cute to pass up, and these are going to be like my everyday shoe. So yeah, these are my new favorite boots right now. Hopefully, if you had been wanting something from this collab, hopefully you were able to snag it. But I'm pretty sure they're probably going to do another collab in the future because it seems to be very profitable for both of them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will do some more videos coming up very shortly, but for now I will just talk to you guys later. Bye.